Hello everyone, this is Shivangi ma'am here. I'm here to teach Standard 5, Subject Science and Chapter 2. So I hope whichever questions I provided previously, you all have completed it. Now we'll start with the Chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Food and Health. Okay, so before watching this video, thoroughly please read the chapter and after that watch this video. So let's get started. The first one is two cases. The chapter starts with two cases. The first one is Rohit. Rohit gets tired after playing for a little while. He gets frequent colds. He does not eat properly. So here one name Rohit is there. One kid Rohit is there. He does not eat the food properly, so he get frequent colds. So those people who do not eat the food properly, they get gets the diseases. They come in contact with the diseases very frequently and very easily. Soma can play for many hours without feeling tired. She rarely falls ill. She has balanced healthy meals. So we should be like Soma. So Soma is a girl who would not get with diseases frequently. Why? And she is very healthy girl also because she takes the meal in a balanced way. She takes every meal in a balanced way. So eating food in a proper manner is very important for us to get to live a healthy life and to stay healthy. Okay. So we must keep our surroundings clean also. So it does not. If we keep our surroundings clean, then the bacteria does not roam around us and does not come in contact with us. We should also drink clean water so that we should not get affected by the diseases. And thus, to stay healthy, our body needs a balanced diet, regular exercise, enough rest and protection from diseases. To live a healthy life, एक अच्छी जिंदगी जीने के लिए हमें एक proper balanced diet चाहिए होता है. Balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? Balanced diet has the right amounts of all the nutrients. Okay, so we should eat everything which has a balanced amount of nutrients. And a regular exercise also keeps us healthy, our bones healthy. Enough rest is very important for us. Protection from diseases. Also, we should protect ourselves from the diseases. Okay. Now, balanced diet, as I told you, balanced diet contains the right amounts of all the nutrients. What are the nutrients? Nutrients are the chemical substance which is present in food, which gives us energy. So, nutrients are those which is chemical substances which is present in the food and that only gives us energy. And there are 5 types of nutrients. First one is carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fats. And each and every nutrient has its own functions. Okay. Now carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is the nutrient which gives us energy. Carbohydrate gives us energy to do work and to play. And some other examples of carbohydrates are cereal, pulses and sweet potato and sugar. Sugar and starch are the nutrients which gives us instant energy. So if we are hungry or we feel very tired or something, so if we take starch or sugar, it gives us instant energy. Turant energy aa jati hai. Okay. Now protein. Protein is a nutrient which helps us to grow. It helps in the growth and the development of the body. Milk and its products like eggs, meats, pulses, they are rich in proteins. Understand? Now fat. Fat are the nutrient which gives us more energy and is also than carbohydrates. Fats gives us more energy than carbohydrates and mainly fats get stored in our body for later use. So carbohydrate gives us energy, proteins leads to the growth of the body and fats gives us more energy than the carbohydrates and it is also gets stored in the body for our later use. Understand? Now vitamins. Vitamins keeps our body fit, improve appetite and increase the body's ability to fight with diseases. So vitamins helps us to fight with the diseases and keeps us fit. Understand? So now minerals. Minerals help in the growth and development of the body. Like as proteins, minerals also help in the growth and the development of the body. What minerals are found in fresh fruits and fresh vegetables. Okay. Now apart from these nutrients, apart from intaking these nutrients, we also need roughage and water. So roughage in certain vegetables and fruits help the body to get rid of undigested food. So roughage is also important for our food, for us, because it helps the body to get rid of the undigested food. Food must be cooked with care so that its nutritional value is not lost. So we should also cook the food in a proper manner, right amount, so that the nutrition which is present in the food should not get destroyed. Overcooking, mainly overcooking, kill the nutrients, or destroy the nutrients in the food. And also we should wash the food, like wash the vegetables before cutting them. So if we will wash the vegetables after cutting, then the nutrients in the vegetable will also get washed away. Okay. Now how to keep fit? The other topic is to how to keep ourselves fit. So muscles become weak and flabby if they are not used for longer time. Our muscles, or any person's muscle, gets weak if we do not use it in a proper way. Regular exercise helps to develop and tone up our muscles. During exercise, air is pumped in and out of the lungs at a faster rate. So doing regular exercise also keeps the muscles in a toned way, in a perfect shape. And thus when we do the exercise, the air we breathe, it is pumped in and pumped out in a faster rate. Thus more oxygen is taken in and more carbon dioxide and wet water vapor are given out. So during an exercise, we inhale, means the rate of inhaling and exhaling is high. So because of this, we intake a lot oxygen and we releases more carbon dioxide and water vapor. The heart also beats at a faster rate during exercise and blood circulates faster. So if during exercise, blood circulation also gets faster, and blood circulation also gets faster and heartbeat also gets faster. Exercise helps the nervous system by supplying more oxygen to the brain. So it also keeps our nervous system healthy because it provides more oxygen to the to the brain. We must play outside to keep outdoor games to keep our body fit. So to keep our body, we should do exercises in a proper way, and we should also play outdoor games. Mainly it keeps our body movements healthy. Okay. Posture. Now what is posture? Posture is the position in which we hold our body when we sit, stand or move. So posture is a thing in which we hold our body while we sit. Like if we sit, we should keep our back straight. That is called the perfect posture to sit. When we are moving, we should move with our making our back straight and in a proper way. Okay. We must walk upright. Correct posture gives a graceful appearance to our body. It improves the flexibility of our joints. So correct posture is also important for the graceful appearance of our body. Okay. Now it also the personality judgment also depends on the posture you sit. Like if you are sitting in a bad manner, so people think that this boy is very lazy, very bad. And if you sit in a correct posture, then the people think that this person is very energetic and very gentleman kind of. Okay, now the another thing is enough rest. Enough rest. Proper rest and regular hours of sleep relax our muscles and give our body the much needed rest. Okay, we feel fresh, ready to work again. We can work more efficiently. Sleep also gives time to the body for the growth and repair of body cells. So when we do work, we get tired, and being tired, our body need rest to repair itself again for the later work. तो जब भी हम काम करते हैं, हमारी बॉडी को एक प्रॉपर रेस्ट, एक प्रॉपर नीड ऑफ स्लीप होती है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी आफ्टर टेकिंग रेस्ट हम वापस से एनर्जेटिक हो जाते हैं टू डू द अदर वर्क्स. ओके, सो टेकिंग रेस्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर बॉडी. ओके.